overview of what would be like the overarching topics, main themes, some of the highlight themes.
Hannover Messe 2025 is going to start during the end of March and it will be till 4th of April 2025. And this edition, we are looking at latest advancements in artificial intelligence, electrification and digitalization.
And also manufacturing is the highlight themes of manufacturing in Canada.
The political conditions for the forthcoming Hannover Messe are really unique. After years of uncertainty, now we have a clarity. We see that China is subsidizing a lot of products and they are very agile. They are very keen to have more markets in their own huge domestic market and would like to export more. And on the other hand, we have in the Trump administration now the situation that everyone that he promised as a candidate, he do now. That means we are faced to tariffs in a way of 25%, for example, for cars. That is a real challenge. And that makes Hannover Messe in 5 weeks very unique. That is a platform where you have to understand the situation, you have to react, perhaps find new alliances, and that makes Hannover Messe 25 very political. But in the core of Hannover Messe, again and again, is competitiveness. It doesn't matter in which market you are producing, you have to be competitive, and there you find the innovative technologies, and you should start, if you already not done, with the topic of artificial intelligence. That is not a button you print and say, I use it now. You have to elaborate it, you have to implement it, and you have to understand the opportunities. And together we had here a fantastic speaker. He worked on this topic for 20 years, and he mentioned who really do not understand what happened and who do not see the opportunities, he will fail in the future. Therefore, it would be great to have many of you in Hanover from the 31st of March, and I'm looking forward to meeting you there.
Canada is very excited to be a partner country for the Hanover Fair in 2025. And this came about when Chancellor Scholz went to Canada in August 2022, and he made the offer to our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who accepted. So we've been working on preparing for the fair for 2.5 years now, and we are really looking forward to it. We have more than 200 companies coming, and they will showcase their innovative manufacturing solutions that are green, digital, and resilient. So we want to advance environmental sustainability, we want to accelerate the digital transformation, and we want to build secure and reliable value chains. So we'll be showing all of our innovation in these areas at the Hanover Fair 2025.
For this year, we'll have over 1,000 Canadians at Hanover, 225 exhibitors, and there'll be in a range of different types of industrial technology. Certainly AI applications, but also cybersecurity, networks, network solutions. We'll have quantum companies here, a lot of quantum startups, but also quantum companies that are using quantum computers for things like advanced materials discovery. We'll have many companies in automation, robotics applications as well. Really glad to see the prestigious Deutsche Messe Robotics Award went to a Canadian company, Maple Advanced Robotics out of Richmond Hill. Excited about that, but that's one example of our robotics strength that'll be on display at Hanover. And also some alternative energy companies, biomaterials, alternative energy, geothermal, different types of electricity generation, but also electric mobility that we want to highlight in the alternative energy pavilion too. And lots of entertainment and great Canadian food there that really does reflect the diversity of all the cultures in Canada.
And also manufacturing.
Almost every single thing we touch is an engineered product, whether that's a cell phone, an automotive, a plane that we get on, even a fabric softener bottle that we carry. They're all engineered products, and they're engineered for comfort, safety, and sustainability. And Altair has been a leader in virtual product development using simulations, which is physics-based computational science. And now we're leading the transformation from simulations to using hybrid methods, which is physics-based knowledge and data-driven methods. So leading us to AI-powered products. So we can now train models with your historical simulation data, and with those models, what used to take hours, if not days, can be done within seconds to minutes. Imagine the power of innovation that this reduction in product assessment will enable companies. And imagine the reduction in the development time that these companies will be experiencing with AI-powered engineering.
Today we are here at Hannover Messe preview. Here you can see, you can witness the Indian industries growing at Hannover Messe. Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys, they are participating at Hannover Messe 2025.